Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra's Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got a 10 by 10 cradle board canvas, wood canvas I guess you call them, with white acrylic. No house paint this time, I'm going with the white acrylic. With my boom gels again, I've got native violet purple, metallic gold, pearlescent violet, and pearlescent pink. Now in each of these I put equal amount of boom gel stain to an equal amount of polycrylic. I have no idea if this is going to be compatible. This is going to be a complete test and see what happens. Fingers crossed. Try something new. Why not? Alright, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all the regulars that keep coming back, you guys are so amazing. Thank you so much for all your comments, thumbs up. You keep me going every day, so please keep those comments and thumbs up coming, alright? Okay, Greg's going to hit some music. Let's have some fun.
Sleight of hand tricks, so I ignored my good intention. Called that number anyway. The doctor on the line said she'd get me in that day. Dr. Juice, Sister Squeeze, Dr. Juice, Sister Squeeze. Guarantee. For that you gotta pay. She said she'd fix my body in that old-fashioned way. She wrapped her arms around me, squeezed me till I popped. She said she'd keep it coming till she heard me holler stop. Dr. Juice, Sister Squeeze, Dr. Juice, Sister Squeeze. She fed me with the soup spoon and fed me. I was tripping like a baboon on the Serengeti. She said second session. She said Saturday sounds so sweet. She said she'd fix my ankle, put the rhythm in my feet. Dr. Juice, Sister Squeeze, Dr. Juice, Sister Squeeze.
I've got a million emails that I haven't read. Got a brake pad squeaking that I gotta check, but I don't mind it, 'cause I got her riding on that shotgun side with that take me till the sunrise look inside her eyes. Now we're flying, yeah, we're flying. We got 10 miles of open road, blasting the radio. We got both windows down and no one around. Don't have to take it slow, we're good to go. There's some baggage sitting in the trunk I see, in the rear view mirror looking back at me. No, I don't hide it, 'cause she's dancing, singing out to every song, and she's always got all of the lyrics wrong, but she don't mind it. No, she's still shining. We got 10 miles of open road, blasting the radio. We got both windows down and no one around. Don't have to take it slow, we're good to go. Yeah, we're good to go. I'm not looking for a shortcut, even when it gets rough. Lean on in and give me a kiss. We got 10 miles of open road, blasting the radio. We got both windows down and no one around. Don't have to take it slow. We got 10 miles of open road, blasting the radio. We got both windows down and no one around. Don't have to take it slow, we're good to go. So much that we don't know, yeah, there's so much we can't control. But we got both windows down and wide open ground. Ain't gonna take it slow, we're good to go. Yeah, we're good to go. We're good to go.
Mystery Bug, welcome to my place. I hate to tell you you're on a wild goose chase, so please go on. Mystery Bug, there's a man down that way. He's been babbling about this day. You know that I'd rather wait, I'd rather stay. I was only lonely when you came here to take me away. Would you come back some other day, and I'll be ready to sleep in the clay. Mystery Bug, would you like to stay? Even an introvert has moments of interaction, desperation. Go on and stay. I was only lonely when you came here to take me away. Would you come back some other day, and I'll be ready to sleep in the clay. Why'd you open up? Why'd you open up? let you go.